Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.
Hello, Team Bella. I'm Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and welcome to the very first week of June in my planner. So before we jump into this and I show you the exciting things I have planned for the week, a few reminders. If you enjoyed the video, as always, please give me that thumbs up. And also, comment below. What's your favorite part about the summer? And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to join one of the best planner squads around, I am warmly inviting you to do so by simply hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget about that notification bell. Okay, so I'm excited. I have pulled stickers and they're in no particular order. Okay, from Indigo Blues, Bookish, and then I had like this sticker sheet from what's the name of the company? A sticker sheet from Hobby Lobby, and then also the best year. I also pulled some stickers from there. So I really thought to kick off June, it would be really cool to infuse plants and also just pops of blues and greens. So yeah. I got a lot going on. So we're just going to just start it and just get it in and how we can. So I like Mondays starting off with a gold checklist. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to alternate from the right to the left. That way what I'm doing on one side, I'm certainly doing on the other, and vice versa. Okay, so we have this gold, starting out with a pop of gold. You guys, I don't know how I'm going and if I'm going to use all of these stickers, but Lord. Let's see. All right, so I'm going to put this down on Friday and Saturday. I think that looks good. And then I love this sticker that says every day is a fresh start. So I think I'm going to frame things just a little differently. This is crooked. All right, nothing fell. I just hit I keep a little, like a saucer of disc on my planners, on my desk, and I dropped my undo into that little thingy. All right, so let's try to straighten this up. I think it will be so pretty. Just let's hope that's good. Okay, every day is a fresh start, and it really is. So I think this middle to do is a good place to put this. Just want to really put blues and greens and golds. Okay. So we do have lots of pops of blues to bring to the spread. And I have this cute little blue gonna put this on Sunday, and we need to put some at the lower part as well. Okay, so all right, so my first cluster is this cluster of green and kind of green and the navy and the gold. Loving that. That is so pretty. Alrighty. All right, let's make sure that y'all, I don't know why I got all these stickers. I'm overwhelmed with the stickers. So as I was going through this footage, I discovered that I really struggled with this spread, and I just don't even know why. I didn't plan it all the way out. I just randomly pulled stickers, and I tried to use the colors of the gold, blue, and green to make it cohesive. But as you can see, I removed some of these stickers so many times, to the point where there is actually two parts to this video. But I wanted you guys to see this part, because this is what happens sometimes when we try to plan ahead and pull the stickers that we want, or maybe you have, you know, a certain thought in your mind of how your spread is going to turn out, and as you get into the thick of it, then it's like, oh my God, this is horrible. I don't like it. It's cluttered. And that's how I felt here. I was like, what is going on? Like, I can't get it together. I'm going back and forth. I knew that I had a lot of clusters that I wanted to use. And I also knew I pulled a lot of stickers because I liked the stickers and I wanted to incorporate them throughout the spread. So undo is my constant friend, as you can see. Because taking these stickers up and down, moving them in and out, just trying to get it to really turn into a very cohesive spread. And eventually I actually had to step away for like an hour or so just to pull it all together. Okay, so I'm back. I have made some very small changes. I removed the checklist. I removed them. There was a blue one here and there was a blue one there. Remove that from the side. I am definitely trying to, you know, to incorporate. I'm not going to be able to use all these stickers, so I definitely pulled too many stickers, which is fine. You know, sometimes we pull too many stickers, but we also come and try to put all the colors that we want to put onto the spread. And I just think that this blue and green just gives me, especially with these plants, gives me all the kick it off summer vibes. Okay, I'm gonna have to put some put a little bit of glue on that corner of this sticker because it has come up, but it's okay. We are going to, once that undo dries, I wanted to slide this little sticker under there. I think that is so cute. And then I will fix this side. We'll do a little sticker surgery in just a moment. That's cute. I'm gonna fix this. I don't like how this looks here. I'm gonna move those. This to do, I think I'm going to probably incorporate it somewhere else or not at all. Okay. And then this one I think will look better at the bottom. Okay. Letting that do its thing right here. So we can get this one up as well. Okay. Let's move this down here in this bottom row. I think it will look so much better. Okay. That is beautimous. So as you can see, when I came back from my hiatus I took from this spread, I had a better plan, and I was able to get myself together, have a different perspective, and pull things together. So that is a tip for you if you ever feel frustrated with your spread, you don't like how it looks, you know, go ahead and continue it out. And I guess worst case scenario, you only have to look at it for a week. But I actually loved the way that this spread turned out for me. I figured it out. That's how I like it. I think that this will work. So guys, for some reason I was on the struggle bus with this spread, but I did push through. I think that it kicks off the month of June and the summer months beautifully. So if you enjoyed the plan with me, or if you would have did anything differently, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, Don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I see